If you're a mom, dad, or empty nester who wants to make money online but doesn't want to live on social media all day, I'm going to show you a simpler way to start. Today, we're talking about how to make money online without a social media following, and I'll walk you through 6 ways beginners are building income from home using skills, systems, and strategies that don't require a big audience. And stay with me until the end because the last idea is the one that changed everything for me. And I'll also show you how my mentor Wendy built incredible results using the same path. Instead of trying to get attention on social media, you can focus on platforms where people are already searching for help. Think YouTube, Google, blogging, or even Pinterest. When someone searches for something like how to make money online without social media, they're already looking for answers. That means you're not convincing them to listen. They're coming to you. And this is powerful because your content keeps working long after you create it. You're building something that grows over time instead of disappearing after 24 hours. And this leads me into something even more important. Let's start with something most people overlook. You don't actually need social media to get people finding you online. Search-based content is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Instead of posting constantly hoping someone sees your content, you create helpful content that answers real questions people are searching for. That could be YouTube videos, blog posts, tutorials, or helpful guides. For example, someone might search how to make money online from home, how to start a side hustle as a beginner, how to build online income without social media. When your content answers those questions, people find you. And the best part is that content keeps working for you long after you create it. One helpful video or article can bring people to you for months or even years. And as we keep going, you'll start seeing how this connects to something bigger later. This one changed everything for me. You don't need thousands of followers. You need clarity about one person. Who's your ideal person? What are they struggling with right now? Let me give you a relatable example. When I first started trying to make money online, I thought I needed to talk to everyone. I was trying to help beginners, moms, entrepreneurs, creators, wellness people, basically anyone who would listen, and nothing felt clear. But when I started focusing on one person, like a mom or empty nester who wants to learn online but feels overwhelmed and tired of complicated tech, everything shifted. Suddenly, I knew what to say. I knew what problems to solve. And people started saying things like, I feel like you're talking directly to me. That's the goal. Not more people, just the right person. Now let's talk about something most beginners skip. If people find you, where do they go next? You need a simple online home. That doesn't mean a complicated website with a million pages. It just means a clear place where someone can learn what you do and take the next step. Maybe that's downloading a free guide, joining your email list, watching a free class. This is where online income starts becoming real because you're creating a path instead of just posting randomly. And later I'll show you how I set this up without needing tech skills because that was a huge fear for me in the beginning. This is the part most people ignore, but it's incredibly powerful. Building an email list means creating an audience that you actually own. Algorithms change, platforms change, but your email list stays yours. When someone joins your list, you can continue helping them, teaching them, and guiding them step by step. Think of it like building relationships instead of chasing attention. And if you're thinking, I don't even know what I would send, don't worry. Simple, helpful emails sharing what you're learning or what's working are more than enough. And this becomes really important when we get to the final step. You also don't have to grow alone. Online communities can be incredibly powerful, especially if social media feels overwhelming. This doesn't mean cold messaging or awkward networking. It means learning alongside people who are on a similar path, sharing ideas, seeing what's working. And honestly, this is where a lot of clarity comes from because you start seeing real examples instead of just guessing. And I'll show you what that looked like for me in a minute. By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Lori. I'm a married empty nester mom of four living in Missouri. After resigning from teaching special education because of chronic illness, I couldn't work a traditional 9 to 5 anymore. I needed something flexible that worked around my health and real life. So I tried a lot of different things: blogging, Etsy shops, Amazon affiliate marketing, freelance writing, proofreading, editing. And while some of those worked, they took a lot of time and energy for very little return. I knew there had to be a simpler path. And that leads into this next idea. Following a step-by-step system removed the guesswork for me. When I found the program I'm learning from now, it felt like someone finally turned the lights on. Instead of trying to piece everything together, I had a clear path. One of the biggest reasons I love it is that the digital products are already created for you, and you keep 100% of every sale. You don't need a degree, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a social media following. All you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day. And this is where things really shifted for me. Before this, I always felt like I was guessing what to do next. Then I started watching my mentor, Wendy, and seeing what she had built using the same process. So I want to show you something.
You do not need to post on social media every single day to do it. Okay, let me ground you in some real numbers here. Like in the last 30 days, I made over $72,000 using this exact strategy that I'm teaching you in this video, which honestly still blows my mind because that's more than I made in 2 full years at my 9 to 5. Now, of course, these results vary, and I'm not promising you this number, but what I am saying is that this method is real. It's repeatable and it's doable. Most people overcomplicate digital products. They spend months creating something and then they burn out trying to sell it. And I'm not going to gatekeep this here because once you understand the simple pieces, making money online starts to feel a lot less confusing.
Watching what she built helped me realize there was a clear path instead of random, disconnected ideas. Everyone's journey is different and results grow over time based on the steps you take. But what changed for me was finally having clarity and direction. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, my free Freedom Formula Blueprint walks you through it. You can grab it below. I'm curious, which one of these ideas felt the most doable for you? Comment the number below. And if you like simple step-by-step breakdowns like this, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a clear starting point and one simple next step. Now that you know how to make money online without social media, the next question becomes, how do you actually start earning as a complete beginner? Watch this next video, how to make money online with no skills, even as a total beginner. I'll see you there.